My skin is black.
What you looking
My
at?
skin
Yeah,
is black.
I feel so good
My
to be
skin
black right now.
is black.
What you
Welcome to episode 119 of the BlackNFashion podcast. Of course, you guys need to make sure you are sending in your black notes. We need to hear from you, okay? And I feel like I am not getting enough black notes. I need to know what's going on in you guys' lives so I can help. Like, I really feel like I've let my passion lead me into purpose, which is education, coaching, mentoring anyone in the creative and the arts field. So let me hear about your wins, your failures. Your wins, I want to celebrate them with you. Your failures, I want to help you overcome them. I want to inspire you. I want to motivate you. So guys, please send in your black notes to blacknfashionpodcast@gmail.com. They can of course be anonymous, and let me just help you guys out a little bit, and let's talk through some things. And of course, don't forget to shop the Black Designer Closet sale. I have some great things there, and I have some new pieces being added to it. So if you haven't shopped there before, make sure you go there, because I just feel like we have to keep this black dollar like really, really circulated. And I know that some of the black designers have really, really higher price items, and I can get you some items out of my closet that I've already worn, light wear to it for like a discounted price, just so you guys can really, really join and be a part of this movement like I want you to. Now, of course, I can't start any episode without acknowledging my amazing sponsors. This episode is actually sponsored by Divine Power Group. Divine Power Group is a credit repair agency owned by Chastity Jackson. She is spearheading a qualified credit expert, assisting those with blemishes on their credit reports with the 3 major credit bureaus. I am a client myself. I'm currently getting my credit boosted, and I absolutely love the experience. It's a luxury experience, and she is very much so catered to her clients and making sure she hits all of their goals and successes and explains everything to the T. So make sure you guys check out the Divine Power Group as well. So this episode won't be long, very, very impromptu. I just wanted to discuss a little bit of the things that we have going on in the black fashion world. I really feel like there is no unity without community, and I'm calling on all creatives, to join me in this movement. I have so many different platforms in which we can spread the word, keep the black dollar circulating, really focus on customized education for black creatives and designers all over. So guys, definitely join the Black Girls Designer Club. That is my non-for-profit organization, and that organization has multiple events and resources that bring black creatives together. We also offer mentorship and coaching to young girls ages 6 to 22 for no cost at all. There is about 5 mentors, and we're always recruiting and looking for more. So definitely hop on our website. You can go right there and become a member. You don't have to be a mentor. There is no special requirements. The only requirement is that your time and efforts towards like our initiative for the Black Girls Designer Club. Now, we also have a pop-up coming up. It's actually April 3rd. We're calling it the Black Girl Mall. So if you haven't already heard about it, make sure you guys register for our Black Girl Mall. We'll be doing this again in June for Juneteenth, but we'd love for you guys to kick this one off with us. It's not just fashion, it's any black-owned female entrepreneurs that are able and have products or services that they would like to sell. So I don't want you guys to focus on it being a product-based business. If you guys offer services, come to your services on the spot. Come with promo cards, like anything that push out your business and stuff, and to get it to a bigger audience is amazing to do. Okay. Now, just a little background on LC Apparel Consulting. We, of course, have changed our structure completely based off of just the last year and different things that have transpired throughout the year. And we now have a complete product development program that combines education, services, and courses all into one. The point of this program is to build a profitable business, to educate the designers, and to make sure that you have all the tools, resources, and everything that you need to actually be successful in the fashion business. The commitment for the program is actually 12 months. It can be done faster, but it just depends on how fast you complete your assignments. We have a weekly track, We have a bi-weekly track and we have a monthly track. The program is set up, customized based to the type of clothing that you're doing. So if you decide you want to do athletic wear versus outerwear versus swimwear, or maybe you want to do accessories, everyone's track looks different. Why? Because I don't believe in general education. I believe in customized learning. And the reason why is to make sure that you're feeding your brain with the things that are actually important to you, and that is actually going to build up your success. So a lot of times in a lot of educational systems, you get a lot of general information, a ton of which you don't even use in adulthood. So it's best that, we go through a customized learning approach, and I definitely push educators to push out a customized learning approach too. I know it's harder, but everyone learns different. And when you're in a classroom setting and you have one way of teaching and doing things, then expect to not capture everyone for sure. So I think the LC program is amazing, and I definitely encourage you guys to check it out. We also have our instant fashion designer program. So for those of you who like that microwave kind of business and are serial entrepreneurs, the instant fashion designer program is perfect for you. So we have basic silhouettes on there. We have like varsity jackets or like denim jackets or jeans or anything of that nature. And then you can customize it. You can pick the fabrication. You can pick if you got jeans, you can pick whether you want a skinny leg, a wide leg, if you want it distressed, and then basically you just customize the silhouette and create the products based off of it. So I think it's an amazing program. It took a lot of time to really get out the kinks, so definitely take advantage of that for the I would say the simpler silhouettes. We also have our creative marketing and our regular courses that we always do. Check that out. It's on our website as well. And we have our domestic and international production packages. Now the pricing for those is customized to the person's budget, because depending on the actual things that you need, you may need a project manager often, or you may need it just for projects, like small projects, or if you need it like on a monthly, we also can do it on a retainer as well. So definitely check that out as well. We have a lot of things coming. Collier has new colors coming down the pipeline. We have a denim jacket capsule collection coming. We also have a coat collection coming in the fall. We have a lot of things in store. I'm still currently writing my book. It's in process. I am not rushing it. I am taking my time with it. And I am finding out the things that I want to include versus the things that I don't want to include. And initially when I was first writing it, I had felt like the end was just blah, like that was it. So much has happened since the original thought of creating the book that I have so much more to give and to talk about, and I just want to make sure that I'm being super duper transparent about everything about business, not just the highs but also the lows. And there are a lot of lows. There are absolutely like a lot of lows within business and stuff too. So I want to share my story and hope that I can inspire and motivate one too. So that's pretty much everything that's going on with me and all of the businesses. Make sure you guys are following LC Apparel Consultant, the BlackNFashion podcast, the Black Girls Designer Club, and Collier Vatine Inc. I am Lenise Collier. I am your fashion fairy godmother, and I want to keep servicing you. So if you guys have topics or anything that you want to discuss, or ideas and events you want us to hold, or different programs, we're all ears. We'd love to get feedback and comments and stuff like that. So definitely drop your comments on YouTube, on Spotify, on Apple. You're welcome to email us at any time. You guys need help solving any problems or just need some advice. We are here for you. So this is the Black fashion community, and I want this to be considered way more than a podcast, but more of a movement and a community that continues to thrive and create opportunities and resources for our network of amazing creatives. So on that note, I'm going to peace up out of here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about everything that's going on. You can also catch us in Miami next week for the Fabric Trade Show. We're giving up a free seminar there. And you can catch us in Dallas the weekend of April 15th. We also have a pop-up course series that is going to be there. And don't forget, we're also going to be in LA the last week of July 28th, doing the LC Apparel Experience at the Fashionpreneur Academy Retreat. So we have a lot of great things in store, and I cannot wait to continue to give you more content, give you more resources, give you more ideas, and to keep inspiring you. And on that note, peace out. Stay black.